So I've been using the Evans EC2 clears and I love them, but now they're almost a year old and they've been pitted up and it's sounding sour and they got to go. So today I'm using the Evans Clear G12 on the 12 and 16, and I'm using the Clear G1 on the 10 inch. Here's a quick before and after.